Good morning, Texas. My name is Sherman. I'm with Mower Superstore. Today I'm going to walk you around the MT100. Comes with a bucket, 1,000-pound lifting capacity. Comes with a 3-cylinder Kubota engine, easy access to the air filter, coolant, the weights. So you can put, if you want more weight in the back, you can move them back here. I do like that the hydraulic hoses are all hidden in the arms. When you look at competitors, they have big hydraulic hoses coming up right here. If you're hauling brush, you're gonna get it snagged every time. Easy controls, padding, access panel right here. You can pick up this machine today here at Mower Superstore, 524 North Avenue G, Shiner, Texas. Phone number is 361-339-0640.